AI, ChatGPT, jobs, disruptions, noise. We're just overthinking things. This happened the first time the computers came in and people were like, we're going to lose our jobs to these machines. Did that happen? No. Rather, it created more jobs. We're going through a change and we'll adapt, we'll be fine. Meanwhile, I think we'd rather learn how to make a good demo reel and apply for jobs the right way instead of blindly shooting your applications everywhere and here and there. It's not going to help you get a miracle. Rather, apply it sincerely, the right way, and anybody would be happy to have you in their teams. Demo reels are a great way to apply for jobs. It's basically a video with your work sample and yourself if you want. I update my demo reels every year. Like, this is my demo reel for 2023, and I'd like you to watch it like a movie, so stop all your thoughts and watch this first.
Buried under the Ice Age, the whole world got sad and sick. Our grown-ups built houses with machines that bring warm air and water through the long pipes. We wear weather suits that keep us safe and warm from the bitter cold and provided us mobility. Everyone feels broken and down, searching for hope. My big brother is the leader of our group. We're the last royal kids on Earth, and he promised me that everything will be okay. He told me that even if half the people hate us for our strong leadership, remember there is another half that still believes in us. We just need to keep our hearts warm and stick together through the long winter. I believe he's the best leader our group could ever have. Good luck, big brother. I hope this message gets to you soon. No matter where we are, I'll always be by your side.
After you've shown your demo reel, it's time to show it in a turntable. It's basically spinning your model for reviewers to see 360 degrees in different light conditions, long shot close-up so they can see the details of your head, the metal rust, etc. so that they know you have the skill set to handle different kinds of models. Put it in a beauty pass, meaning all the colors and textures together, that is the beauty pass, which is this. Then comes the solid pass, basically it shows without any painting on it. Basically just to understand the whole shape and frequencies on it. Then comes the wireframe, which is showing the exact poly count and how the topology works. Once you have that in your demo reel, it's a good way to present your skill set to the reviewers. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, share, subscribe, drop a comment. I hope to be more consistent with my videos, but as some of you may know, my daughter is turning 1 year old this month, so she's been keeping me occupied. It's a wonderful time, so I promise I'll be more consistent and I try to come up with more videos. But until the next time, please have a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and a good night.